Tampas, safety shoes for the rigs slide and pipe slide. Okay, so it's about today windy, cold, and cloudy. So we go inside. Canvas, safety shoes, cheap and safety shoes. Hi. A little bit fine. So what is the most cheapest of them all? The safety shoes you have? The most cheapest? Quick question. So I have an idea. A safety shoes, high cut or mid cut?
Okay.
Even not branded, important. It's good.
Sorry?
Even not branded, I mean to say.
Okay.
As cheapest.
These ones are probably the cheapest.
What is, by the way, Robert, what's your name?
Brenna.
Brona, okay. So
yeah, these ones are probably the cheapest if you need a 6-inch. And then these ones or these ones for the 8-inch because these are $50 off.
Oh.
So these two work out to the same
So
price
how much
right
this
now.
one can go? $50.
So it'd be $109.
A little bit lower. What about this?
These ones are $109.
So if you cut, is that is fixed?
Sorry?
That is his fixed price now, or
Yeah.
There's another bit lower,
No.
less?
No. Those are $109. So yeah, these would be your cheapest.
Cheapest, the most recommended, Before is 89. After 10 years, $10 less. See? Before 89, remember this. This is the most cheapest. Now 99, so less 10 after 10 years. Nothing else recommended.
Not for the cheap one.
Even low cut. Before I buy here, a low cut Caterpillar, cheap only, is $30 only.
Yeah.
What about here? The sale rack.
We don't have any on sale right now. So yeah, we have these ones as well. And then these will be the cheapest out of these ones.
Mas better than the other one. Yes. Low cut. Okay. I will tell you if I need, okay?
Okay,
Thanks.
perfect.
So guys, it's $99.99. $99.99. The most cheapest. The most cheapest safety shoes. It's winter boots, full vest, far vest, made in China. So it's running shoes, safety shoes. I need the safety shoes, cheap only. So this is the boots for waterproof. Each is $259 to $99. So no choice. 239, 239, 239, 109. Very misleading. Removable EPA put bed to guard PU to protect. Exclusive to marks. Still one to still. So we come back after the summary. The best choice is this. Size 10, size 11, size 12, size 12. So that's it. That's it for now. This is our blog and content. How to buy a cheap safety shoes leather. It's very ordinary, but it's good if you are a practical person. So I have no choice to buy that for the old billiard and wigs. Okay, so see you guys. Subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video to my YouTube channel. So we have no choice to go just to canvas. Just to canvas a safety shoes. Okay. So see you guys and subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video to my YouTube channel. Okay. So that's all for now. Resistance. 234 flame resistance. 234 stretch insulating. Kapal na, pang winter. For winter, 22.99. Cheapest. $22.99 also. So, okay, so see you guys. That's all for now for our vlog content. It's a short only because we have no choice. Okay. We have no choice. That's only our content for today. Oh, boy.
How are you?
Good.
Reading any house?
Not now, because only I can bust the safety shoes.
Are you recording?
Yes. For our vlog content. Yes. Because no working rigs today.
You work in the rigs?
Yes.
You must be getting a lot of money.
Of course. Every 10 hours a day. So now it's raining, so stop. Day off.
You should get me into the rigs.
Oh, you have 2 jobs. It's too much. The tax is getting high. That's my advice to you. If you are lots of work, the government
I need
no
money.
more part-time. I recommend to you. This is my part-time only oil field, but I have another job full-time. Assembler.
I don't have.
Impossible.
Yeah, I want a part-time.
Part-time? Go to McDo.
Huh?
McDonald's.
No.
Why?
Rig.
Rigs, very ambitious. You need more tickets,
Yeah.
training.
Yeah.
If no tickets,
Which one they need ask for?
a lot's different job. It depends. Different lots of company in rigs.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're right. You just have to go to the call.
Yes, not easy to go there because if you have no knowledge, no ideas, kick. Okay. So that's what I recommend to you. Part-time, tickets, training. Okay, my friend. I will go now.
All right.
Nice job, ah. Only rounding, ah. 511, oh. No sale, no clearance.
$40, 40% off.
So, for example, this.
40% off from the original price, $99. So 40% off, $60.
A little bit high. Okay, my friend. Thanks.
You want to get a Triangle Mastercard?
Ah?
You have a Triangle Mastercard?
No, I have
You have?
points.
No, the Mastercard. You
No,
have
no,
15%
no.
off.
No need.
Say yes.
Debit I'm using. Okay. Okay, guys. So that's all. It's locked. Food court. Okay. Move on.